This is the Soundcore Live Q20 by Anker, a pair of full-size Bluetooth headphones featuring certified high-res audio and active noise cancelling, with a very budget-friendly price tag. And today, let's check it out. As we can see in the front of the box, we can see the high-res audio certified badge. The headphone supports 48 hours of playback time, and it also features bass-up technology. On the back of the packaging, we can see more features, also the contents in the box. This package has an outer paper sleeve, and underneath we have a completely blue box. As we open the box, we have a plastic tray that contains all the goodies. From behind, we can see some accessory in this plastic bag. We have a very nicely textured carrying pouch, a quick start guide with basically only pictures, a safety information booklet, and a feedback card including their contact information. Flip the container over and we have the headphones inside. And in this cutout we have the headphones and some more accessories like the USB-C charging cable and a 3.5mm wire connection. Notice one end of the cable is straight and the other has a 90-degree bend. That's pretty nice. Now let's take a look at the actual headphones. We can see many surfaces and joints have these plastic films for protection, and they can prevent any scratches during the shipment. The headband is really soft and thick, the extension is stainless steel, and it feels pretty strong. They also pull out pretty far out in case you have a very big head. These headphones swivels easily for storage, and they can even partially fold up to save more space. The material of the ear cup is extremely comfortable and soft. On the left side of the ear cup we have the on and off switch, and on the right side we also have the ANC on and off switch. The right side ear cup has all your controls, including play pause, volume up and down, or the sound selection buttons. Below that we also have the USB-C charging port and the 3.5mm aux jack. We can also see some holes and cutouts on both sides of the ear cups. I'm assuming these are the external mics for noise cancelling. And now let's get right into the in-depth review of the Soundcore Live Q20, where I give my pros and cons. And let's start with pros. Extreme comfort is nothing exaggerating when it comes to the Q20. If you can get your hands on these headphones, you'll know what these feel like on your head. These headphones don't clamp on your head too hard, fitting is excellent, and sound leak is almost non-existent. I feel comfortable even if I wear these all day long. Maybe even too comfortable that you won't even feel them as you fall asleep on a long-haul flight. Active noise cancelling works great at this price range. I've tried many ANC headphones around $50 price tag. They don't erase the whole world like the Bose QC35, but the Q20 does a decent job cancelling bass to mid-range, at least from high frequency like if a horn is blasting at you. You'll still hear it, but chatting noise, engine rumbling noise, or airplane noise will be cancelled quite nicely. Better than many other budget ANC headphones in my opinion. Although the Q20 is advertised as ANC headphones, the ear cups material is so nice they actually cancel noise pretty good as is. If used indoors, I often find myself use these headphones without ANC on at all. To be completely honest, what I'm interested at this price range is not ANC. It is the high-res performance, and the Q20 is pretty impressive in terms of sound quality. In normal mode, frequency response is super balanced and hi-fi. If you are a bass sucker, Q20 also has the bass up mode. This boosts mids to upper bass more and it's clean and distortion free. If you turn up the volume, it even makes the headphones vibrate a little on your head. But I simply love the tuning in normal high-res mode. The sound is very accurate and non-fatiguing. With Bluetooth 5.0 on board, I tested many apps, as much as I could in this case. The Q20 has no audio delay. You should be able to use these headphones for music, movies, and games with no problems at all. And now for the cons. The sound signature does change a little bit with or without the ANC mode. I'd say it's much vibrant and clean when ANC is off. Like I mentioned earlier, personally high-res is more critical to me than the ANC function. I will use ANC alone without anything playing, but when I'm playing audio through these headphones, I personally turn ANC off for better sound quality. As a conclusion, the Anker Soundcore Live Q20 is a very high-performance budget headphones. At around under $60, you will normally only get noise cancelling, but not a high-res sound quality. But now you certainly can. For more information of the Live Q20, click the link in the description box down below. Consider like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you next time.